Who can have frontotemporal dementia? Anyone can develop frontotemporal dementia, or FTD, but it is important to note that it is the least common category of dementia behind Alzheimer's disease, vascular dementia, and Lewy body dementia. Researchers do not yet know why some people develop FTD, but they have learned that at least 10 to 30% of cases are due to changes in one's genes, and therefore runs in families. There are several types of gene changes, or mutations, that have been identified that damage the brain in different ways. One gene change causes the material inside brain cells to become tangled, which means the brain cell cannot function as it should and will eventually die. Another gene change causes a decrease in the production of an important brain protein that is responsible for making sure that the brain produces just the right amount of other important proteins. Without this regulatory protein, the brain cells cannot maintain their usual architecture or their usual function, and they will eventually die. There are other recent discoveries of a gene change that occurs in both FTD and another progressive disorder called amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, ALS, or Lou Gehrig disease. Compared to other dementias, FTD typically affects people at younger ages, between the ages of 45 and 65. So, while FTD is rare, it is one of the leading causes of early onset dementia. The risk factors for FTD are not completely understood, but several have been identified. First, some people with FTD have a family history of the disease. Second, FTD can also be related to a history of head trauma or exposure to certain environmental toxins. While lifestyle factors like smoking and excessive alcohol consumption might increase the risk for FTD, this is not currently supported by research. In summary, FTD can affect anyone, though it is less common than all other forms of dementia. A genetic cause has been identified in a subset of cases, but there is much to learn to more effectively prevent and manage this disease.